Hey everyone, me and Sonny here again, going to show you something a little bit different than anything we've done so far. And we may have some special help today. And he's mad about that because it won't be him. So I have an issue with keeping vehicles clean. Yeah, I have a company car and the company pays for the automatic car washes. Man, automatic car washes are the popular thing. Lines like crazy at those things on a nice day. You know, I just can't always get my personal vehicles to an automatic car wash. We don't have one here in town, and unless I specifically go to a different town for it, I just don't want to do that. But I saw something on YouTube I thought I would give a shot. It's the Ryobi 1.8 gallon per minute power washer, and it is the one that is specifically for automotive high flow pressure washer. It's ideal for use on cars, trucks, and other vehicles. So this is very specific to automotive. Now, I've watched several videos on YouTube on this, and this is a fairly new product. Has not been out that long. They have another one, but it's a little bit different, so don't get it mixed up with this if you go looking for it. Make sure it is the automotive. Make sure it says that. It says it right on there. Automotive pressure washer. It's for autos. All the videos I watched on YouTube, they were good, but they were all professional detailers. Trying it out, seeing what they thought, doing comparisons. A lot of them, this was probably given to them. Perfectly fine. I'm not against that at all. I think it's good that they do that. And I appreciated the reviews that they did even. What I didn't see was people like you and me using this thing. So that's what I want to do. I'm just the guy at home. I wash my car. And like I said, I may have some special help washing the vehicles, and we're going to actually put it to the test today in the driveway. By the way, this was not given to me. I paid for it with my own money. The only place I was able to get it was in person at Home Depot. I couldn't even order it online at Home Depot. That I'm aware of, you can't find it on Amazon or anywhere else. It's only at Home Depot because it is Ryobi. So before we get to the good stuff of washing the vehicles, I'll show you the other things I got to go along with it. Of course, you're going to need soap. I got the pink car soap. Is it the best soap out there? I have no idea. I don't wash cars. This is all new to me, but cleans without dulling the finish. That's good. Creates thick foam, and that's what I want because this has a foam gun. It's supposed to rinse off easily. So that's what I got. This kind of stuff, I'll leave a link in the description below for it if it's something you want to try. So another item I got, because I have a Tahoe that's a full-size SUV, four-wheel drive, and I have a Ford F-150 that's the trimmer model, the off-road, so it sets up really high. I got this. It's the Automotive, I guess that's how you pronounce it, car wash brush. It's got a handle, an extension handle, so I can reach the top and the high spots, the windshield's in the middle, that kind of thing. All right, one other thing I got, a car drying towel. Okay, so I also got some microfiber mitts. This is a 2-pack. They're supposed to be really good. We'll see. I got those. And then one other thing I got that you definitely don't have to get, but I wanted to try it. It's just for fun. This comes with a foam gun, but the test I saw was pretty runny. It wasn't real thick foam, but probably adequate. We'll find out because we'll use it. But I also bought a different foam gun. This one's more of a professional line because, hey, I am a professional. I don't ever wash cars. It actually came with some shampoo. So we'll see what that's like eventually. But just another foam gun. It's supposed to foam really thick and stick to the vehicle. We'll check the difference when we try it. But those are some extra things I got. I will leave links in the description below for the soap, the foam gun, the towels, the mitts, the brush with the handle. So here's everything that came in the box. You got a 40-foot hose, I believe. One thing the people that I watched did not like about this was the hose. That was the one big negative. Might end up replacing the hose. It's just because it stays kinked up. You get 3 nozzles, a 15 degree, 25, and a 40, and it has a storage place for 2 of them because you only use one at a time. I think the 25 is the most typical one, so that's what I'm going to start with. You get a gun and an extension one that's detachable. Has the foam gun, which is right here, and you do have to put the handle on, and that's the only assembly that's required, is putting this handle on, and you will want to put the handle on. But that's just 2 screws, so that's easy. Right on there. I'll get a screwdriver, put that on, and then when I come back, we'll be outside washing vehicles with some helpers.
So this is how dirty the truck is with all this dirt. And we might be cleaning that. And we're gonna try to get it clean with the power washer we have today. We're just showing you guys the dirt like this. I think that's bird poop.
Yeah, that is bird poop.
We got all this right here. But right, it's pretty dirty. If you could tell. Lots of dirt. But that's how dirty it is.
All right, so we're getting ready to get started. I got the power washer all hooked up, and you can see I got a lot of help. We'll see how much help they are. Ava's going to do some recording. Sage might do some recording. Ella might do something, I don't know what. We'll see. It says to put 1 ounce in this bottle, but the lowest mark is 4 ounces, so I don't know if I got an ounce or not, and I spilled most of it on the bottle. So I got to clean that off. Then we're going to try this foam gun out, and you see how dirty the truck was. Ava just showed you. So, and we got to power it on. So all right, you ready?
Yep, I'm pretty sure we're gonna do the truck first.
We're going to do the truck first. We're going to use the foam gun first. I got a controller on top. I don't know what it does. It's got a plus and minus. I guess that means more soap. So that's what we're going to do. Where's the soap? Maybe you're supposed to put water in it. I don't know. Are you supposed to put water in it?
I don't know, maybe. Think we're putting some water in it right now?
Yep. Probably are, because I don't know how else it would get up in that hose.
Cleaning this part of the car.
So now let's see if it gets soapy. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Definitely need water.
What I don't like is how much that runs off of there. Yes, definitely needed to add water. That's the difference between a professional doing this and someone that don't know what they're doing this.
It's getting less soapy. It's running out.
That's weird. Why did it do that?
Might need more water. That's weird. We'll come back to you guys in a little. Okay, I just paused it.
So why is it doing that?
Could I hose it down?
Well, so that's all we got out of that. I'm going to have to take it back or call support or something. Got the soap on and had to use the hose to rinse it off. It quit on me, so we'll see where we go. But I can at least try this drying towel out. You're supposed to be able to just put it on and... Wow, that works pretty good. Take a look at that. You can see it's all wet here. Completely dry there. See where it's wet? Dry. Okay, so the little towels, I've never used one. I'm pretty impressed. All right, so I'm gonna try to get this fixed and maybe come back and finish this video. If I don't, I'll finish it without getting it fixed, and I'll let you know that probably shouldn't buy it. So we'll see. This is the little towel that I just used. It also comes with 2 of them this size. Actually, it comes with 2 big ones and 2 little ones. The other little one's in the garage. So that's pretty good. I like it. A+ from this, A+ from the soap.
Okay guys, so as you saw, we were having some technical difficulties with the power washer. So we actually had to go return it and get a new one. But I'm pretty sure we were just having some technical difficulties with ours, and it obviously doesn't come with that. And if we have some more technical difficulties, it might be our like hose or whatever. But yeah, keep you guys updated.
All right, so we got back from getting the new power washer, and I'm going to try the professional foam cannon this time. And one of the differences I already like is the big opening on here. That other one had a tiny opening, and I spilt soap all over it. So this one will be much easier to pour soap into. The thing you can't see on this one is the gauge. There is one there, but I don't know what it says. So I'm just going to fill it up to that bottom line. Oh, much easier. I think this is a little bigger too. Okay, we'll go with that.
Do you want me to start videoing?
Okay, so far so good. All right, so let's put the foam cannon on. All right, let me see how it sprays here and get it set.
Shake it?
No, probably.
Bro shaked it when he said that. Oh!
We got a lot to shake.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to try this as the Pro foam cannon. Whoa, that's really wide.
Oh, that's wide.
That's
better.
too narrow. There we go.
There. Make sure you get the right one. Oh, that's
Now, see how that sticks?
Yeah.
Remember the other one? It didn't stick like that.
This is
It ran off. So that's the difference between this foam cannon and the other one. I'm going to get the front because of the bugs.
This is looking
This one's way better, guys.
Okay, so let's see if a kid can do it.
Yeah, let's see.
I think a 9-year-old can do it.
Let's see if a 9-year-old.
It's a little bit heavy because this. So you just point it and shoot. Well, hang on, don't shoot yet. Make sure you can see. You got to hold it up. You can put your hand under that if you want.
Oh, I squirted so hard.
There you go.
Okay.
Look at that. So easy, a 9-year-old can do it. Cover it good. No, I see blue. There you go.
I want to do it on the other side.
Okay, come here. Good. Now get the wheel good.
Looks like a white truck now.
All right, let's see if a 5-year-old can do it.
Kind of heavy, so you have to hold it.
Come here, Ella.
Ella, you have to hold it on the bottom right here.
So put one hand here,
if you need help,
and then that one, and then just squeeze. Look at that.
Oh,
So easy, a 5-year-old can do it. Okay, so that foamed up really good. This one kept working. Ella, do you want to help with these?
yeah. Oh, could I do one?
So you put one in, put your hand in one.
Can I do one?
Well, let's see how they work here. I'll let you do it, yes. And come over here,
Ooh, these are
and then we just start washing.
wash.
You get all the bugs off.
Get all the dead bugs.
Because this is the worst part. This is the hardest part, is the front. Yeah, just wash everything.
Do I wash the wheels?
Yep, you can. Well, no, not yet. I mean, you can, but let's do the truck first.
Yeah.
Make sure and get all the bugs off the front.
I had the mic.
I like this thing. It's even more fun when you have help.
Yeah, it's even more fun.
Yep, even more fun.
All these bugs are probably not going to come off. I don't have any special bug remover stuff. I need to get some.
So, this stuff didn't come with it, right?
No.
Yeah, okay. So just so you guys know, that stuff, all this mop stuff did not come with the power washer.
All right, I'm gonna start rinsing the top. So with this angle piece, I can get up here.
It just splashed on me. Okay guys, so the power washer we had before definitely just wasn't like, it was just broken. But hopefully you guys don't get that, and I'm sure you won't. But it's working like so good. I'm like speechless. Like, look how clean the car is. Like, I can literally not.
See?
Oh, wait, yeah.
So you start at the top and work your way down. See? Go ahead. Whoa.
Should I try, Grandpa?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try. Just wear it anyway.
Yep. So I'm going to try this towel out. You can see how wet it is. This is what you're supposed to be able to do. Except it's not getting down in the groove there. That dries it off pretty good.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh yeah. That was really good. Feel. It's not even wet. Yeah, like the comparison. Like, usually, like when you go into a normal car wash or like washing off your car, you're just using a towel and it doesn't dry it fully off. But this one dries it off really.
Yeah, this is good.
The towels work really good.
Where do you get this
I'm
from?
pretty amazed at the towel.
Wait, did you say?
It really soaks up the water.
Guys, you need to get the towel on Amazon.
The towel's really good. One swipe is perfectly dry.
So our final thoughts, Ava?
Okay, my final thoughts on this power washer was 10 out of 10 because the soap, like, since this is a blue truck, it's like, it was completely white and it was really good, like, with the, like, hosing it down and, like, it was just, like, automatic, like, clean and, like, there's no more dirt or anything, so 10 out of 10.
So same, it's a 10 out of 10 because it washed perfectly fine except that one power wash thing, the same thing, but that one was just either broken or something else was wrong with it. But nothing happens with this if it's not broken. And it's perfect because it got most of the bugs off, and bugs are really hard to get off, so 10 out of 10. Mine was 10 out of 10 in the towel part.
Yep, you liked how the towel dried.
Yeah, from Amazon.
Towel was good.
I'll leave a link in the description below for all the stuff we got other than the power washer. You have to get that at Home Depot because it's a Ryobi, and you can't order it online, I don't think, or you couldn't when I got this one. You had to go to the store and get it. But the first one failed on us. Home Depot did a good job exchanging it, so everything's good. I think we're okay, and this one worked fine. I think that's going to do it. Thanks to the granddaughters for helping me because it's more fun with help. Oh, and if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up, or give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I pray that God blesses you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.